po, chicken at manok.
Chicken at manok? Parehas yun ah.
Kaya kuya pa, smile mo ulit. Smile ka na ulit ha. Smile.
It's not getting angry. Hi, tiger.
Antoinette ang pangalan niya, Antoinette.
Never pangalan. Hi, Antoinette.
Antoinette.
Hello.
Smile. Smile daw, smile. Napilit ah. Busog na. Yes, ano, friends? Tiger, pag may jeep may pagkain. Friends. Galaga tayong tiger. Lalo na po kung hindi nakikipag-away yan.
Lapit kayo din, selfie.
Ano pahingi? Hindi kayo pwede. Franz. Tingin kayo dito. Franz. Franz. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Video. Say hi to the crocodile.
Sama mo naman siya. Hello. Hello, is everybody there? Kaya siya nilayo. Ate. Bro, nakita ko yung mata niya. Smile. Rico, ayos nga.
Ayos daw, ayos. Yung pantao muna.
Smile.
Kausapin nyo. Kausapin nyo.
Jacob. Kayo na yun. Baka na kayo ng ticket. Oh, chick!
Mahulog na. Wala. Naku, hindi ka namin kayang buhatin.
Hindi makatras. Bahay ko na nga.
Ang bigat ng bahay niya.
Franz, upo ka, Franz. Upo ka, Franz. Go. Oh, layo ka na. Franz.
Don't stop in the class.
Hindi naman cover ito.
Hindi yan.
Nakita ko yung bala.
Nakayo po yung pinipicture.
And try to minimize any unnecessary noise or movements. If you're all ready, please welcome my buddy, and here is Harry. Nathan from Vietnam and China. And don't you know that they are among the top 10 most intelligent? Come on, Harry. Okay. Now to level up the challenge, Harry is going. Harry can still do it. Okay, everybody, let's say go, Harry! Come on, Harry, show them what you've got. Alright, so have a big round of our African gray parrot, and here is Timmy. Hello, Timmy, happy morning. Okay, so one thing we observed about Timmy was that he's going back. I think Timmy is trying to save his money for his enrichment. Now everybody think about this, especially for the kids. If you want to buy something, then try to save money. Ball. Now Timmy, show them what you've got. Already fixed the ball. Now walking on the table. He's now climbing on the ladder. Come on, Timmy, shoot that ball. You can do it. What a nice shepherd, Timmy. Watch it, as well. How many big rock? Ready? Okay, Purpose Animal Feature. And here are Amber and Kyle. Okay, kids, you can open their milk, and you need to carry them like a baby. Alright. Long-tailed macaque. And on my left, this is Kyle, our 5-month-old Philippine long-tailed macaque. They are the subspecies of the crab-eating macaque, locally known as machi, or in general term, unggoy. They can be found in Southeast Asia, and they can live up to 40 years in captivity. Now, next, we're going to help you. Wow, you're so brave! By the way, yes, you're brave. By the way, this is Bella, our bearded dragon. They originated from Australia. They got their name because of the dull spikes that can be found around their. Alright, come on, this one here on the center. Okay, so as you go, can you wear this walk first? And you can do this. And then stop a little bit. see this beautiful creature, let us help in the advocacy to stop illegal logging. But instead, let's start planting today that will serve as a home for tomorrow. Sir Jerome, what can you say about almond?
Mabigat.
Mabigat. Okay, and don't you know that one fascinating fact about Binturo was that they smell like popcorn or pandan even though we don't give them a bath. So how about a big round of applause for Almond and of course my great teacher volunteer. Thank you so much, Sir Jerome. Okay. And also we have a caller from Zubi Safari.
3 seconds lang. France.
Yes, left side lang.
Paano mo nalalaman yung daan, France? Left daw, left dito.
Left side lang.
Left ulit. Ang galing ni France.
Damo na po siya na. Igaganon din.
Salamin yun, salamin.
Malapit.
Wala na, ilulubos na. Ano ba yun? Balik tayo. Masyadong magaling si France eh.
Paalala ko lang po, dark room, actually dark lang po siya, wala po nananapos sa loob. Sadyang madilim lang po.
Ayusin mo ang bunso.
Upside down daw po. Upside down. May bed sa taas.
Baliktad nyo. Ako pa to saan? Let me be normal. Sleep.
Pakagulo nito. Pag umilaw yung blue, talo na.
Paano po? Ha? Hindi lang i-ano po to? I-evade?
Hindi dapat didikit. Focus oh. Mahirap yung dulo niyan. Oh, ang galing ah.
Paul!
Tsunami. 1, 2, 3. Good. Palit naman kayo. Halika rito. Parang ano lang. Parang gold dust lang. Samurong. Kuha ka?
Mga inuminat po. Yung pandaan yan, ma'am, sa kabila. Para makakita.
Ano, Franz?
Babawalan dito kayo pag umakit nila, babawalan tayo dyan.
Bilad.
Bilad na sa araw.
May wrong turn.
Pinakamaliit lang, wala ka pa lang. Ay, dito. Dito. Yan.
Left-handed or left-handed.
Tama na, ang sarap.
Yay.